we're actually receiving all these amazing free coins balance on our Pocket FM. So as you can see, it works amazing. Hey Euro people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got free Pocket FM coins, guys, absolutely online without downloading any Mod APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. It works perfectly for all these devices. And guys, we will do it online without downloading, as I said, and I will show you everything step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com, and then search down below for Pocket FM. Click there, guys, and then we will enter our Pocket FM username. So if you don't know how to find your username, just click here how to find it. I will enter mine, it's downtown99, guys, and click continue. So it should search for our user account and it should find us. So you should get this message, guys, user found. And second step is to select our desired amount of coins. I will select almost 1 million and just click continue. So it will start loading and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So I will record it more. So yeah. And there we go, guys, API is connected and our user account is connected. So guys, we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Pocket FM coins. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So you can complete literally whatever you like. You can download game, you can download app, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you, guys. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and merge gardens. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step, it's required to follow all their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. And for Merge Gardens, I will install and reach level 9. So guys, you will just have to follow instruction for each task you complete. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What will I do now, guys? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Merge Gardens, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every second. I won't skip this video because I will wait, and there we go, guys. There we go. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins are on the way, guys. Our username and our coins sent. So the last step is to open our Pocket FM, right? And to test it, does it actually work? So let's go to my store. Okay. And let's see, are we actually receiving it? Yeah, guys. We're actually receiving all this amazing free coins balance on our Pocket FM. So as you can see, it works amazing. So guys, now I'm going to play it, to listen it and enjoy all these free coins. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.